All right, so a quick developer overview of Bitcoin.com link. We have some good documentation that you can go through for the detailed methods, but the overall summary is Bitcoin.com link enables you to create a web app that extends the functionality of a mobile app. So in this case, the Bitcoin.com mobile wallet. So it means that you can quickly create a React app with interesting features. I'll go through some of those, and then you can have it actually interact with a user's mobile wallet, BCH, SLP, and even BTC if you're into that kind of thing. So let's do an example. Swap is probably one of the more popular use cases right now. So if you pull this up, again, this is within the Bitcoin.com wallet. You're presented with this user interface. Looks nice. Looks like it could even be part of a mobile app. It's actually a React app as a website. And this allows you to exchange various cryptocurrencies. So let's say we want to do I have some USDH? Yeah, we've got 10. Let's say, well, first of all, it recognizes that it has access to link. So that's this get wallet status method. And that's why it's able to show you this bar in this particular app. So let's say we want to do half of our USDH into BCH. This is another link method, so it pulls it up here, and we say, yep, we want it to get that address from our wallet. So now we're taking 5 USDH from our wallet, 2 BCH, we're going to confirm and swap. Another link method actually pulls up the transaction. And now you can also see that from the result of that transaction and the other information on the React app, you can communicate with what happens next. So we say, oh, a successful transaction. These were the inputs, these were the outputs. We know what pair is being exchanged. You can give the user this message. So with that, we can go back to the app. Documentation here. So the methods we saw there were get address, right? So if you say if the user wants to receive something in their wallet, you can just plug it in there with get address. We saw send assets. We had some form elements that allowed the user to create a transaction, but then they could also just execute it in the mobile app through the send assets method. Now you can also do pay invoice if you wanted it to be a BIP70 invoice instead of a fixed transaction, which allows you to do other crazier things, multi-output transactions, some more complexity. And you can also do things like even create a token, right? So if you want to really get a crazy SLP app going, you can explore this method. And the get wallet status, that's just what lets your app know that link is available. So if it's available, you can have a user interface that interacts with the wallet. And if it's not, you can just have a normal, maybe more manual input React type interface. Currently, apps that integrate link tend to get featured in our wallet. It drives some traffic. Right now you can buy gift cards, and that just allows users to pay right from the wallet. Cred, that's an interest earning product on certain cryptocurrencies. And then some of our own products as well that have this integration. So that's the wrap up. Probably the quickest and fastest way to make a mobile app is to just use Bitcoin.com link on a React app and immediately get something working with a Bitcoin wallet.